How to fix screen rotation not working in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and search here sensor test. Now click on sensor test app and then click on install. After install this app, then click on search and search here accelerometer test. And also install this app. After install these apps, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system. Now click on it and then click on reset options. Now here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it and click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.